What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Lil Wayne and Batista.
His name is John Uneasy.
His name is Dave Batista.
I saw people talk about this on Twitter. Apparently, like Wayne's verse was hot. So yeah, I want to see.
Philip Humans. Who's this?
I have no idea.
Sounds familiar. What movie did he make?
They call out, mercy, mercy, mercy me. Clinton and Canarsie be like. They call out, Nostradamus, Malcolm Marvin, so what's going on? I'm on the left and the right, talking two different stories. I know I'm strong in this life, but I still tuck my chain. The city feels uneasy.
This guy's voice. Jesus Christ.
It's captivating.
Yes, yes. What the fuck?
The city feels uneasy. The city feels so uneasy. They call out.
Come on. No, man. Yes, yes. I need to listen. I need more of his stuff, dude. I need more of his- What? Jesus Christ, if any of you guys are fans of this guy, please suggest a song. Next reaction, we need to react to whatever song this guy, like whatever song you guys suggest, we're gonna react to it. I need more of this artist and I need you guys to help me, like, yeah.
You know, even if the song was like, if this was the end,
Without Wayne,
yeah, it would be perfect.
yeah, it's
also.
already, he's already done justice to it.
Times is hard and the city's uneasy. Been a carnivore ever since I was teething. Close the shower door on my city is steaming. I know I'm the God that my city believes in. Amen, my naga. The devil been deceiving me. Had me on the hard top thinking it was easy street. Mom used to scream at me and take me off that scenery. I've been about a bag cause all I wanted was the BAG. That's that New Orleans in me. I come from where the
Been about the bag, like I've been about was the BAG.
scenery. I've been about a bag cause all I wanted was the BAG. That's that New Orleans in me. I come from where the
I've been what?
I've been about the bag because all I've ever wanted was to BAG.
Okay, Wayne, okay.
scenery. I've been about a bag cause all I wanted was the BAG. That's that New Orleans in me. lions and the dragons. I just asked them not to breed on me. Shit get difficult and shit get nasty and easy. You don't know what it mean to me. These mean streets ain't mean to me. Gangsta shit. Life is a bitch until she ain't your bitch. The streets is colder than the
Life is a bitch until she what?
mean streets ain't mean to me. Gangsta shit. Life is a bitch until she ain't your bitch. The streets is colder than the streets of Anchorage. Switch on my hip, make me walk like my ankle twist. Weezy, baby.
Oh, where is he?
The city's uneasy, baby. Yeah, me and Mr. Baptiste. Louisiana.
Is this him playing?
Yeah, Wayne plays the guitar in it.
Yeah, I know from Rebirth, but
That's probably him.
come on, play that shit. Doesn't go with your Kanye. He has to be. And the versatility of these instruments. Jesus Christ.
Times is hard and the city's uneasy. Been a carnivore ever since I was teething. Close the shower door on my city is steaming. I know I'm the God that my city believes in.
Philip Humans. I need to search this guy. Who's Philip Humans?
Fuck.
I know that name from somewhere.
From Mika.
Yeah, what movies did he make?
He's young. What the fuck?
Yeah. Yes, I know this guy. It's that kid who made that it's Burning Cane.
I don't know what.
Yeah, he's very young. Like he was on the Breakfast Club at one point.
No, definitely check him out.
Yeah, I think he made like this budget feature like back then. Yeah.
That track.
Yeah.
I'll definitely listen to more John Batiste stuff.
Yeah, like yo.
He's that guy.
Jesus Christ.
He's that guy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but yeah.
I wasn't expecting much from Wayne aside from Wayne being Wayne. But I don't know, there was something refreshing about this particular verse. I didn't feel like same old, same old.
This Lil Wayne has always had like he's writing at a high level, but at the same time it's like I wanna see that reflected in his own music. Like
Okay,
I
yeah,
don't
that's
know.
true. That's true.
I wanna see that being reflected in he
'Cause
does
Wayne-
amazing features.
Because Wayne will make a good track extra good.
Yeah.
Like that
But
track.
he cannot save a bad song. He cannot save a
Yeah.
bad song. So if you feature Wayne, like when you feature him, you just know that he's not gonna save a bad song. He's also not. Yeah, but yeah, bruh.
I need to
this
listen to the track
this
again.
guy, this guy is amazing. This guy is amazing.
John Batiste.
John
Batiste.
Batiste. Yeah, he's amazing. You've earned that E. It's no longer gonna be Batista. You've earned that E.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, shout out to that. That was beautiful.
Keep doing great. You're
That was
gonna be
beautiful.
John Battisti, and then Battisto, and then Battistu. That's where you know, okay, you've earned all the vowels, young man, young master. But yeah, please share videos for us, and please subscribe, like, and yeah, see you next time.